I'm Kate Young, and I'm the Director of the All Wales Forum of Parents and Carers, but I'm also the Third Sector Partnership Council rep for the Health, Social Care and Wellbeing Network. I'm here to talk to you about why the Third Sector Partnership Council is important. You might want to know what it is first. The Third Sector Partnership Council is a nominated group of third sector representatives that have been nominated from a number of networks across Wales to ensure that the third sector, in partnership with the Welsh Government, has a strong national voice. You might think, what's the point of it? It's pretty important because it's the official voice that the Welsh Government recognises across all different sectors of government policy to make sure that the third sector is heard, worked in partnership with, and that when we're talking about funding, those funding concerns and priorities are met, or at least where possible. Why is it important for you to elect people? Well, it's important to ensure that your area of expertise in the third sector is actually heard by the Welsh Government. Taking just the 2 minutes to think about who you might want to have as your nominated representative is really important. Perhaps read the profiles of those existing representatives. If you want, you could even get in touch with them and find out why they think it's important they continue their role, or maybe you might want to take over. In either case, the most important thing is that you actually do nominate. Let's make sure that the Welsh Government continues to listen to the third sector's strong voice in Wales. Thank you.